All right, guys, just wanted to do another video for you. Been a little while since I've done one on a certain product, but I really like this product, and this is the Mueller Rapid Boil Pro Electric Kettle, and it is a game changer. Now, I make French press coffee every morning, at least 2 of these usually, and normally I was using the stove with just a tea kettle and having to wait, but I found this Rapid Boil Pro Electric Kettle and really speeds up the process. Now I've got about 3/4 of a liter of water in here right now, so I really haven't done any timing or anything, but let me tell you, a cup or two, this thing is boiling it in a matter of a minute or so. It's already getting really hot, and I just turned it on. We're a minute into this video. Just a real nice product. It's got this snap-on lid. It's got that LED light indicator. It just sits on this little base. You put it down there, and it's ready to rock. And this thing will boil water. Even at max, it'll boil water probably in less than 2 minutes. So just a really nice product. Never seen this brand before, Mueller. They offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. It's built here in the USA. They're out of Pomona, California. So just thought I would do a quick review of this. I'm going to let it boil. You can already see down there. I think you can probably see it down there at the bottom. It's starting to boil already, so really fast. Nice product. So yeah, just thought I would throw this out there. I'm going to throw a link down in the bottom to the Amazon, so I do get a little bit of a percentage or a little bit of a commission if you click through that link and buy this, but I guarantee you're going to like it. So already boiling, so ready to make that coffee. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it, and you guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.